A question about the Bidvest sends today, saying, may you please ask the panel about the update, the acquisition on Citron and the restructuring of the financial services division, wherein essentially they're looking for a buyer for Bidvest Bank. Wayne, you tweeted about this. Firstly, do you think it's going to make much difference in their lives in terms of any sort of cash injection if they manage to sell Bidvest Bank? And who do you think they might sell it to?
Look, I don't know who they're going to sell it to, and this is my stock pick, so I might as well get it over and done with now. I mean, just on selling the bank, not easy owning a bank. It's not easy complying with bank regulations. It's not easy out there in the marketplace because there are serious and very large, capable competitors in this market. That's why I worry a little bit about everyone launching financial services. There's already a very crowded market here. I was always surprised, and this is years ago now, David might even know, 15 years ago, when Bidvest launched the bank, I thought, why are they going into banking? What is so attractive about this? Now, they had great pains to say, look, the bank's actually done very, very well, but we're selling it. The cash injection, I don't think is important. But and the overseas acquisition of Citron, I mean, this is good. That's right in their backyard. It's what they do. And they do it incredibly well. And the reason why I'm buying it is basically on the back of this is a good, solid SA Inc. share that's still very reasonably priced in my view. And I think it can benefit from hopefully some turnaround in the SA economy, but more importantly, some turnaround in the rating of SA Inc. shares. So, I mean, that's why I'm picking it as my share pick.
I should get to your stock picks. Wayne, we've had yours, which is Bidvest.
Yeah.
So, David, you can talk at leisure about yours. So you better have a good pick and a good business case to make.
Now, I've gone back to tech. I just think that we're in for another strong run in tech in the next 6 months, and that's going to drive markets. I think it's most of the analysts, most of the strategists have completely underestimated, what those technology shares have added to the US economy. We're going to go into a period of reduced rates, which is going to give some kind of underpin to the other stocks, but it's going to be tech that leads. And the fact that Nvidia is held up at these levels, unfortunately, when I say unfortunately, because it's up, I see 4% as we talk now, it's back on the run. I think it's time to take a nibble at that again.
So you would be, if you had new money, would you put it in Nvidia? I mean, I think this is the dilemma. That's it's the Capitec dilemma or the Afromat dilemma. Do you just carry on buying?
I labored over it. I wrote an article for Business Day in my column about it. I'm saying, because what's the difference? Don't go to other AI, because if Nvidia falls, everything else is going to fall as well. So you may as well stay with Nvidia. If Nvidia can't make the cut, then I think Amazon and Alphabet and all of those are also going to come down, AMD, and everything's going to tumble. So you may as well just go for the ride and buy Nvidia.
Okay.
I'm not convincing.
Well, it's a bit scary, really. So at least we have Bidvest, solid and not overly expensive Bidvest to placate some of our greater worries. David, Wayne, we shall leave it there. Thank you very much for joining us as always on the show. Wayne McCurrie is from FNB Wealth and Investments. David Shapiro is from Sasfin Securities, and up next we have the close. Stay with us.
Thank you.